Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 12 Plus and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down to localize more security and privacy options. Let's scroll again to find credential storage. And finally here at the bottom of this list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.